until the 20th century, everyone was like, aliens? Do they even exist? And we mostly thought of them as just stuff from sci fi movies. But fast forward to the 21st century, scientists are pretty much convinced that there has got to be other life forms out there. How? Jill Tarter, the big brain behind SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, says if Earth can be this bustling hub of life, why can't other planets with the same kind of vibe, like same chemistry, physics, biology, be hosting their own parties?
Odds are reasonable that the chemistry and physics that provided biology on this planet may have done so elsewhere. We have always asked, are we alone? We've wanted to know who's over the next hill.
And get this, many scientists believe that these extraterrestrial beings or aliens might already know we are here, hanging out on Earth.
They're there. I've seen one. There's just no evidence. It isn't necessarily very stable yet.
Roger. There's troubleshooting as soon as I get.
Yes, they think that the aliens know about Earth, know about the humans, and everything about us. Stephen Hawking threw out this idea that's pretty easy to get. He said, think about how back in the day, Columbus and the Europeans cracked the code on sailing across oceans. That was a huge deal because it meant they could reach new lands nobody else could. So when they showed up somewhere new, they were the ones holding all the cards, power wise. Hawking's point was if aliens can figure out how to zip across space and land on Earth, they are basically doing what Columbus did, but on a cosmic scale. That means they would likely be the new bosses in town because whoever gets to new places first usually ends up in charge. So, in a nutshell, aliens making it here could mean they have got some serious technology and power, making them the ones calling the shots. But then Jill Tarter thinks, hold up, maybe they are friendly. She thinks they are just out there watching us, maybe trying to figure out if we are chill before making the first move. And why haven't they reached out yet? Even though we have been sending cosmic messages left and right. Well, Tata seems pretty convinced they are keeping an eye on us. This whole thing got me super curious about the evidence backing up these claims. And guess what? I dove deep, checked out some of their research articles, and found some mind-blowing proofs that might just convince you aliens are real. So stick around because I'm about to share the top 5 proofs that aliens might be tuning into our Earth. And after that, I'm gonna spill out groundbreaking Nostradamus predictions about aliens for this year 2024. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Janani and welcome to janstimes. Proof 1. Electromagnetic signals. In 20th century, TV and radio became prominent inventions where the radio and TV broadcasting used the electromagnetic waves to carry the audio and visual information. These waves are generated by transmitters and sent out across airwaves to receivers. These signals are designed for terrestrial reception. That is, the plan here was to make these signals travel only within the Earth's atmosphere. Instead, some of the signals escaped the Earth's atmosphere and traveled away from the Earth. Even though the strength of the signal got weakened, it could have potentially reached other star systems where aliens can understand what was going on Earth. During 1970s, the alien research got serious by the scientists. So they decided, why don't we send messages to the universe and the cosmos by ourselves telling, hey, we are here. So in 1974, using the Arecibo radio telescope in Puerto Rico, they prepared a powerful radio message. Do you know how much powerful was it? It can travel and pass the message up to 25,000 light years away from the Earth. That was why the scientists were so confident that if intelligent lives are there, they must have definitely got our messages. It is interesting if you see what all they sent in that message. The first thing was graphical representation of human being, then our solar system details, where are we in solar system, that is the Earth's details, some of our DNA elements and the illustration of the telescope itself. So interesting, right? Proof 2 is light pollution. Imagine looking at the Earth from space at night. What do we see? A planet dotted with sparkling lights. Thanks to all the lights from our urban cities. Scientists say that this isn't just light pollution, it's a beacon shouting like, hey, we are here. So, our glowing cities could be the very thing that makes first contact possible. What do you guys think? And also, scientists are using lasers, those focused beams of light, to chat across space. It's like using a torchlight in an Amazon jungle. Proof 3 is existence of oxygen and other chemical elements. What is the next thing aliens can easily find out is oxygen-rich atmosphere. It's easy peasy for any extraterrestrial life to sniff out our air if they have right gadgets. Earth's atmosphere is like a giant neon sign saying life is here because of all the oxygen mixed with other gases, a clear giveaway that something is breathing down here. Imagine aliens with super advanced telescopes scanning planets far and wide. What catches their eye? Scientists say that they can easily find out industrial stuff like chlorofluorocarbon, which you would never find naturally. These kind of leftovers indicate other planets' astronomers that some intelligence life is here. We send rovers and rockets to land in Moon and Mars to find out possibilities of water or oxygen. But for the aliens, they don't need to send anything like that. They can sense everything just by using telescopes, only if they are technologically advanced like us. Proof 4 is star dimming. Imagine you are an alien chilling in another galaxy and you are into stargazing. You have got this mega telescope and you are scanning the cosmos looking for other planets. How do you find them? You watch for stars that flicker or dim, which means a planet is transiting by blocking some of the starlight. That is the same mechanism we are using to find exoplanets. If we see any stars dimmering in light, we focus there for any planets. That is what scientists say, that aliens are using the same methodology to find us. Another interesting thing is they wouldn't need to land on Earth to figure out we are here. They just need to check out our cosmic backyard. It's cluttered with satellites, old rocket paths. If aliens are zooming by with their advanced scanners, our space junk and satellites are practically flashing signs saying some techno folks are here. Proof 5 is Interstellar Probes and missions. Let's take a trip beyond the stars with humanity's most ambitious postcards, the Voyager probes. In 1977, NASA sent 2 Voyager probes to space to meet and greet different planets. These interstellar travelers are more than just chunks of metal zooming through space. They are our first steps into the cosmic ocean, carrying greetings from Earth to anyone who might be listening. Packed with golden records, these probes are blasting the sounds, images, and messages of our world into the void like bottles thrown into the cosmic sea. It is our way of saying, hello universe, we are here and we are curious about you. These missions are proof of our desire to reach beyond our solar system, a clear signal of a civilization that looks to the stars and wonders, is anyone else out there? So every time Voyager beams back a signal or inches closer to another star, it's humanity stretching out a hand in the darkness, hoping to one day grasp another. So scientists have found these 5 proofs that make them think aliens might already know about us and could be watching us. They say even though space is huge, these clues suggest aliens have visited us before. They wonder if aliens are checking us out to see if we are friendly or worth visiting. Now let's talk about something a bit mysterious, predictions from Nostradamus. He was a French astrologer who made predictions a long time ago, and he said aliens might come to visit us in 2024. When we put the scientists' clues together with Nostradamus' prediction, it makes us wonder, could aliens really show up this year? And if they do, will they be nice to us or could they be a problem? I want to know what you think. Do you believe aliens might visit us soon? Would they be friendly or not? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.